Tell you what, I ain't never looked forward to an execution more in my entire life.
You don't say.
We're about to make fools out of Shinra while the whole damn city's watching. Times like these, you gotta save them.
Oh no, if you're about to ask me to dance, then don't.
Come on, don't be shy. How about you, Cloud?
I don't dance.
B5, this is engineering. You need to pick up the pace. We're running dangerously low on components because of those terrorists!
Copy! They're here!
Stop that!
You'll pay for this!
Bring it on!
Bunch of pushovers. Come on, y'all. Let's see what kind of mischief they...
4 consoles. And never enough keycards.
That's an M unit, right?
Yep.
This is our chance to really stick it to Shinra. We should think it through before we make a decision.
M unit flagged for disposal.
Just imagining their faces when they find out.
Think we've done enough to weaken the robot?
All that we can, at least.
It's all good. The stage is set. All that's left is to hijack Heidegger's show. We're coming up on the exit. Tifa, detonator still in range?
We should be good.
The moment Big Boy goes down, you hit that switch.
Right.
Don't get in my way.
Are you trying to start something? Huh?
Bring it!
You're done. Not bad.
Can't say we didn't prepare. Now we just gotta get it done.
Status report. We're making our final adjustments. Work faster, or you'll hear it from the brass.
Look, they're still prepping it.
They're here! Hold them back! Buy us every second you can!
What is the status of my airbuster? Report!
Shield front!
As expected. Fire at once.
This one's gonna pay. How's that?
Shit! We too late?
That's far enough, you bastards!
Y'all never had a chance.
Hey guys. Looks like a performance assessment, don't you think?
We'll figure out its weaknesses as we fight it. As long as we stay focused, we'll be fine. We can do this.
For real though, we need to talk victory poses. Something coordinated for the live on camera finish. Could blow up big, start a new trend.
Vito.
Huh? No way up?
No way we're getting back up that pipe.
Keep looking.
Hear that?
Damn near gave me a heart attack!
Let's finish this. So long.
Too late.
A real subtle invitation.
We were gonna spring the trap anyway.
Mow him down.
Big boy's going to an execution, all right. We're gonna put him out of his misery while the whole damn city watches.
We give it our all and we'll win.
We're gonna get through this. We're gonna make it home. All of us. No exceptions.
Right. We don't want to disappoint Marlene. That goes for you too, Cloud. Right?
You'd better give her a big old smile this time.
If the price is right.
What? Open it already.
It's locked down.
Is there any way we can get it open?
Yeah, from that room over there.
Why does everything have to be so damn complicated?
You know, the faulty equipment storeroom's that way too.
Do you think we'll find the components we diverted there?
It's like a treasure vault. Woo! I like the sound of that.
So how do we do this?
It's simple, really. We move the levers at the same time.
Got these ones.
I'll take left, which just leaves right, soldier boy.
Emergency lockdown is currently in effect.
So we need to synchronize our movements?
In that case, follow my lead.
Nah, Tifa's.
Fine, have it your way.
Okay, pay attention, you two. 3, 2, 1. Try to match my timing, okay? We got this. 3, 2, 1.
I'm, still getting warmed up.
Focus. 3, 2, 1. Don't rush it. Shake it off. 3, 2, 1. Breathe when I breathe. We got this. 3, 2, 1.
Emergency lockdown disengaged.
Thank God.
How the hell we made it through with dumbass here, I'll never know.
We really are in sync. Took the words right out of my mouth.
What did you say?
Okay, that's it. Let's go.
What y'all got tucked away in that vault, huh? This would be the treasure vault?
That's right.
What's the catch?
Need to bypass a high-level security lock.
Different from the other one?
Same deal. But we gotta do it several times.
Was hoping you'd say anything but that.
Screw it.
Oh, hell no! We're doing this!
Yeah, we gotta try.
Delta level security lockdown is currently in effect.
Okay, guys. You know what we have to do.
Copy me?
No, Tifa leads.
Oh, fine. After you, girl.
Gotta get past level 1 first, right? 3, 2, 1. Move yours the same way as mine. Focus. 3, 2, 1. Watch carefully. We got this. 3, 2, 1.
Mother!
Shake it off. 3, 2, 1.
Shit!
Focus. 3, 2, 1. Breathe when I breathe. We got this. 3, 2, 1.
Alpha level security disengaged.
That was great, you guys. Let's keep it up. All right. 3, 2, 1. Watch carefully.
How about a chant to help us time it right? Avalanche!
Ugh, this is exhausting. We'll get it this time. 3, 2, 1.
Beta level security disengaged.
Wow! Think we've got this?
Hell yeah! Bring it on! Ain't nothing I love more than sticking it to Shinra.
Halfway there. Steady, guys. 3, 2, 1. Move yours the same way as mine. Focus. 3, 2, 1.
I'm, still getting warmed up.
Shake it off. 3, 2, 1. Don't rush it. We got this. 3, 2, 1.
Shit!
Focus. 3, 2, 1.
I'm still getting warmed up. Got an idea. 7-7, happen, hoo-ah! 7-7, happen, hoo-ah!
Hell no.
How about this then? 7, heaven!
Ugh. We're doing it my way. 3, 2, 1.
Hey, are you even trying?
We got this. 3, 2, 1.
Gamma level security disengaged.
No way! You guys are naturals. Okay, final round. Don't lose focus. 3, 2, 1. Try to match my timing, okay? Shake it off. 3, 2, 1. Breathe when I breathe. We got this. 3, 2, 1.
Shit!
Focus. 3, 2, 1.
I'm still getting warmed up. Hey, I think I should lead after all. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Much better.
Let's just get through this. 3, 2, 1. Don't rush it. We got this. 3, 2, 1.
I'm still getting warmed up.
Shake it off. 3, 2, 1.
Delta level security disengaged. Disposal room now accessible.
Finally. I was beginning to think it'd never end.
Hey, yo, Cloud, what's the deal? You really a bona fide soldier?
We didn't train for this stuff.
All that marching with no rhythm? How did you soldier on?
Okay, that's enough of that. Let's see what's inside. Score! It's just like Cloud said.
They say a job well done is on reward. I say take everything that ain't nailed down. right, time to go.
Huh? Huh? Look!
That's me, Shinra.
The eyes of one who has bathed in Mako, which would make you a soldier.
Ex-soldier.
Once a soldier, always a soldier. Though not, alas, for very long. Accelerated cellular degradation being the most common cause of death by far. This is classified, of course, but every soldier knows the truth.
That's right.
Think you forgetting someone?
Would that I could. You strike me as the type to go on without a hand.
Ain't enough hours in the day to hold you to account for all your crimes.
And what a wasteful indulgence it would be, even if there were.
Okay then. Let's talk about
Wasteful indulgences. What is Mako? The life stream. The lifeblood of the planet. Our planet.
But Shinra keeps on slurping it up like a thirsty dog. What do you think's gonna happen if you don't stop, huh?
We do indeed keep on slurping it up, as you say. But for whose benefit, I wonder. The true nature of Mako is known to one and all, yet the people willfully turn a blind eye to the costs. As you must surely be aware.
Don't you dare try to put this on us! If anyone's going along with your plans, it's 'cause you brainwashed them!
Such methods are beneath me. As are you, my faithful Silverets. Henceforth allies of wicked Wutai, our sworn enemy. Thank you for stoking our people's patriotic fervor.
Wutai! The hell we are!
You still don't understand your role in this.
What are they doing?
Don't you see? You fools were never in control. Never anything but pawns in our plans to sell great and glorious war to the people. And your instruments of insurrection will detonate. When we so choose.
God damn it!
Now let us raise the curtain on our main event. The trial of the eco-extremist group Avalanche. Terrorists conspired with Wutai against Midgard. Your guilt is undeniable. Your punishment, death.
I'm sick of this. I'm sick of all of this.
It's just like when I failed you.
Cloud! Get your head in the game! We're counting on you, man.
Are you alright?
We're fine. You guys good to go?
As good as I'll ever be.
What did you do?
Big boy me.
Okay. It's on now.
With only the most perfect strategy. Potential of Shinra's technology.
You're mine. Brace yourself.
Commencing phase 2 of the combat trial. You've seen but a fraction of this machine's true capabilities. Want the ball? Headbuster ready. Now show me how fast you can run.
No more playing nice. Come on.
Damn, that thing's foul.
That was too close.
We need to come up with a plan.
I hate when they do that.
Let's take care of this first.
Come on!
Sorry. Brace yourself. No way.
Let me handle this. Gotta be smart. Don't give up. You're up.
Let's do it. Go all
Behold the full potential of the Airbuster! Time to carry out your executions!
Damn. All those drones. Time to do your thing, big man.
Watch and learn. Just make sure you got my back, all right? Take your arm off! Come get some!
Yeah! Get in there!
Yep.
You're
I
up.
hear you loud and clear.
Let's do this. So long. No more playing nice. You're as good as dead.
My dearest Avalanche, my apologies, but this time let me part ways. This footage will prove the effectiveness of raising morale of our city dragon.
We almost got this. Come on, guys.
Bring it on.
Let's show 'em what we're made of!
Right. Deal with that.
Okay, let's go.
I'm waiting.
Come on. Freeze! There! Up! Damn it! You're gonna feel this one! Ha! Let's finish this! Ah!
Need my help, do you?
Bring it!
have long to get clear.
Take Tifa and get out of here!
I was wrong about you.
This ain't the end of the line for you or me.
Cloud!
Come on!
Hey, buddy. You okay? Yeah. Made it through with just a couple of scraped knees back then. Back then? What do you say? We doing this? Have we? Never mind about that. Right now, you need to focus on yourself. Move something. Anything. Why not? Good. Easy does it. Slow. And steady. Yeah. Hey, who are you? Who are you?
I am your everything.
Hello in there.
Oh, Cloud. There's still so much to be done.
Maybe you're not okay. Ah, he lives. Finally awake, are we?
You're...
Aerith. It's Aerith. And you are?
Cloud.
Nice to meet you again.
Again, huh?
What? You don't remember? What about the flowers?
Oh, the flower girl. And this is...
An old church in the Sector 5 slums. You came crashing through the roof without so much as a lookout below. Fell right into my flower bed. Lucky for you. Like, really.
Sorry, I didn't mean to...
Don't worry about it. They're a lot tougher than they look. This place, it has a kind of power. Before I forget, you dropped this when you landed.
Thanks.
I've got one too.
You and everybody and their mother.
Not like mine, no. It's special. Mine's not good for anything at all.
Bet you just don't know how to use it.
Could be. Though, I really don't mind. Just having it is enough. It was a gift from my mother. Pretty crazy, huh? Us meeting again like this. You should stay a while. Really? You will? In that case... Huh?
I'll see myself in. Thanks. And who are you?
He's my bodyguard. And a soldier. Pretty cool, huh?
Huh?
A soldier?
Ex-soldier.
Well, what do you know? You've got the eyes, at least.
You don't mind, do you? Bodyguard work's not too different from Merc stuff, right? I guessed. From the sword.
Just do this for me, okay?
Fine, but it'll cost you. A lot.
A lot, huh? One date ought to do it.
Huh. Well, you're weird enough to be one. What class?
First.
If you're gonna bullshit me, at least try to make it believable.
Hey, watch the flowers!
You heard the lady.
I'll make this quick.
You better.
Body.
Really? Since when? This is the first time.
Because he was a classified op. Blind first aid!
Going in.
Hey! Little help in here, guys?
Let's do this.
Good old what's-his-face. Artemisia. I hate doing cleanup, but I'm damn good at it!
Wow, be careful!
Sloppy!
Now you're ready for it. You're out of luck.
Asshole! Okay. Gotta make me work for it, huh? Well, lucky for you, tough guy. Consummate professional! Figured this dance of ours could use a spark. Soldier boy! You walked into that one.
So long.
Wide open. Don't tell me.
Let's try that again.
Sloppy. No way! Enjoy the ride! She didn't see that one coming.
No more playing nice. Any last words?
You've got it all wrong, man. I just wanted to...
Cloud! No!
get the girl.
Sir!
The hell?
Weird. They're not attacking.
Hey, open up!
Come on.
Over here! Through the attic. Maybe we can get out that way.
Right. Through that hole.
They saved me.
Come on. I'll go first. Come on.
Nothing! Up there!
Hey, no shooting!
Oh, man.
Hey! You okay?
Probably. Or maybe not.
If there's so much as a scratch on her, you're done.
Sir!
We bring her in one piece. What now? Run!
Move and I'll shoot!
Oh no, you won't.
But sir!
Could drop that. Okay.
What's the holdup? I can't get to her!
Run!
Okay.
Stop her! Over there!
Wow.
Eat this!
Over here.
Go to hell! You're dead! You can't win! Go to hell!
Thank you.
Let's move.
Cloud, give me a hand.
They're in the attic. Should we pursue?
be.
But sir!
Partners got it. We are out. Beginner's luck.
More of those things.
It's like they're guiding us.
Stay close.
So cool.
Huh.
There!
Need to stay ahead of them.
Prep for exfil.
Or not. They gone?
Yeah, think so.
What are they?
I think... Actually, I don't know. Let's just go. Okay. Up for crossing the rooftops? See that pillar over there? There's a station right by it. Shall we mosey on over?
Let's.
So, what's next for you?
A little bit of bodyguard work.
Right.
After that, it's back to the Sector 7 slumps.
You know how to get there?
Yep.
Of course you do.
That suit from earlier. He was one of Shinra's Turks. What's a Turk want with you?
Dunno. Hey, don't Turks keep an eye out for potential soldiers and stuff?
They do more than just scout for candidates. Turks get called in to handle all kinds of situations, with extreme prejudice.
Professional bad guys. Gotta love them.
Back to my question. So what's he to you? Looked like you knew each other.
Maybe he thought I could be the greatest soldier yet.
Forget it.
You mad? I actually haven't traveled by rooftop before.
Be surprised if you had.
It's honestly kind of exciting.
Well, first time and all.
Wait! Give me a moment. Don't just run off on your own.
Those the words of a soldier candidate?
So petty.
So, does no one live in these buildings?
Nope. No one to get mad if we make noise. Looks kinda rusty.
I'll go first. It's pretty old. Be careful.
Okay. Ugh.
Easy now.
You worry too much. I'm not some princess who needs to be coddled. Shit. Whew. That was unexpected. Thank you, Cloud. Ah, there it is. The wall. You know, I thought about leaving once, but in the end, I couldn't.
Too dangerous?
Too much. A whole world bursting with life. Maybe more than I can handle, I think sometimes. Even now. People hate the steel sky, the slums, but I don't. How could I? All that passion, all those dreams. blending together into something greater.